Welcome to the second part of our delicious healthy desserts course. This part will be dedicated to one of the best creations of humankind, to chocolate. Yes, it will only be about chocolate. First, you will learn how to make chocolate candies and chocolate bars on your own, just with 3 ingredients. Yes, just with 3 healthy ingredients. Moreover, it will take you between 10 to 15 minutes, the entire process, to make your own chocolate, and then you'll be able to enjoy it with your family. I will also show you how to use this technique of chocolate to create very easy and colorful sweets to brighten up any party or to make your kids happy with some beautiful colors. You will also learn amazing ways to find the natural colorants for all the sweet creations that you make. Yes, you'll only use what the Mother Nature gives us. Moreover, all these healthy colorants, all these natural colorants will actually have a lot of nutrition value as well. And as a special bonus, as already advanced sweets creators, we will make an amazing chocolate cake with chocolate mousse and chocolate cream. Alright, let's get to the job of creating the sweets and then eating them.